How to download LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the project settings by clicking the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are there, scroll down on the left menu and select Color Management. Under this section, click on Open LUT folder. This will open the directory on your computer where DaVinci Resolve stores all the LUT files. Next, you need to download the LUT file. You can find free and paid LUTs from various websites like Motion Array, Fresh LUTs, or even from YouTube creator who share download links. Make sure the file format is .cube, which is the standard for DaVinci Resolve. After downloading, extract the zip file if needed and copy the .cube files into the LUT folder you opened earlier. Then, go back to DaVinci Resolve and in the same project settings window, click on Update List or restart the software to refresh the LUTs. After that, go to the Color tab, choose LUT, and you will see the new LUTs you just added listed there. Click on it to apply on your clip. And that's it. Now you know how to download LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.